This is my new ATV. Well, it's new to me. It's a 1999 Honda Foreman 400. This is my dad's old ATV, but it's originally my uncle's old one. My uncle bought this ATV brand new in 1999, and he owned it until he died of cancer in February 2004. I'll always miss him. In 2006, my aunt sold this ATV to my dad because she had no use for it. And now, in 2021, my dad sold my 1998 Honda Fourtrax 300 4x4 and he gave me this ATV, his old 1999 Honda Foreman 400 4x4. My dad's going to buy a brand new 2021 Honda Rubicon 520 with independent rear suspension in a week or so. I'm going to do a little walk around on the ATV, start it up and take it for a little ride around the house. It has 7,654 kilometers. Show you the winch works really good. I'll put it up now. Oh, winch works really good. It's a bit slow coming out. This ATV is in absolutely mint condition for its age. My dad took very good care of it. I'll let you see underneath. It says 1999 model. It has a back seat with storage compartment. It has a front Kimpex bumper. And also has a rear Kimpex bumper. I'm going to start up for you guys here now. I'll show you the exhaust. It runs excellent. Honda ATVs last forever. They're excellent ATVs. Honda and Yamaha are two of the most reliable ATV brands. I'll never sell this ATV. I'm gonna take it for a little ride around the yard now. My dad sold my old 1998 Honda Fourtrax 300 4x4 to my 12-year-old neighbor because he needed a four-wheel drive ATV. I'm going to miss it, but it's only next door. But I love this ATV. I'll always take excellent care of it. It'll be registered in my name soon. I'll show you guys something over here. I'm going to take this gear stick off because I don't really like it, but I'll never get rid of it. I absolutely love this ATV and I'll never sell it. That's it.